Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today we're looking at the analysis on the currency pair USD CHF, USD Swiss franc. And currently we have seen that the United States dollar Swiss franc has improved to near 0.8620 as the Fed Powell rules out interest rate cut in March. Now, USD CHF gains ground after Fed Chair Powell dismissed the possibility of a rate cut in March meeting. Also, we are seeing that our Fed has chosen to maintain its existing interest rates, just as expected. Now, SMB Jordan anticipated that Swiss inflation would remain below 2.0%, while USD CHF edges higher to near 0.8620 during the Asian session on Thursday, despite a setback in the US dollar against the Swiss franc on Wednesday. Now, due to the disappointing US employment data, a recovery ensued after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell dismissed the likelihood of a rate cut in the forthcoming March meeting, and this decision was widely expected given the Fed's choice to uphold the existing interest rate. Powell has been understood that enduring some presence of heightened inflation and emphasized that the strong growth in economic activity could possibly be some reasons for an upside. Furthermore, the Federal Open Market FOMC does not anticipate considering a reduction in the target rate until it has acquired increased confidence that inflation is progressing consistently towards a 2.0% target. Although inflation has moderated over the past year, it is a bit still elevated, while the statement omits the reference to additional policy framework. Now, the Swiss franc National Bank Chairman Thomas Jordan addressed at the Business Journalist Club on Tuesday. He has stated that the expectation is for inflation to rise due to the value-added tax VAT increase and electricity prices, but it is anticipated to remain below 2.0%. This is the baseline scenario, of course, and the projection for this year suggests that inflation will average below the 2.0 threshold, while the consensus expectation is for the Swiss National Bank to implement its first rate cut in September 2024. Swiss retail sales YOY declined by 0.8% against the expected growth of 0.9% in December, while the Swiss consumer demand was falling by 1.5% in November. GDP for November rose to 0.2% from the flat 0.0% prior, exceeding the market consensus of 0.1% growth. And traders will observe the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI and Purchasing Managers Index on Thursday. We are expecting a move up to at least 0.87 and following an extension to 0.8725, which from this point it's about 67 to 80 pips thereabout, of course, which is good money. Now that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair USD CHF. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we'll be flying down to the United Arab Emirates, and we are taking a look at the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. Now, the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, DEWA, is said to be a public service infrastructure company that was founded on the 1st January 1992 by Sheikh Maktoum bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Now, the company type sales on government-owned utilities, which involves electricity, water, and district cooling, and the headquarters being the Dubai United Arab Emirates. And of course, we have been headlining that most of Dubai's newly listed shares are trading below the IPO price since November 29th. Now, it is somewhat seen that this has been somewhat ranging, and in respect to this, we need to have our horizontal lines being marked out, and also vertical lines and also horizontal lines to show the exact landmarks for buy and sell. So it has been up and down, and we are hoping for a breakout. And most likely, we are expecting a breakout to the upside, which will mean that we are taking out from 2.46 down to the 3-point and the 4-point zones. So if we were to make an expectation of this, we are exactly looking at about 43 pips. Checking a higher time frame, it's somewhere around 39 pips thereabout, 45, 50, 60 pips thereabout, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market. DEWA. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.